Hi guys, I thought it might be helpful for you guys to have a quick recap on what was happening last in our story before we left for break. We're going to do this and retell the story from where we left off with my three willing participants for actors and actresses here. I have Claire. Say hi, Claire. You're going to be playing the part of Katniss. She was the girl on fire. We'll kind of talk a little more about her in a minute. Andrew, can you wave and say hi? He's being kind of grumpy now, so I think we might give him the role of Hey Mitch. No! And you know nothing about him. And Jonah, say hi. You're gonna be a guy named Peeta, not Neil. Okay? So remember in the story, Katniss and Peeta were selected to represent District 12 in the Hunger Games, where they have to go and they have to fight each other. Kids have never heard of these, so they don't know what their characters are doing. They have to go fight each other and along with a bunch of other kids in this arena, right? So they travel to the capital to get themselves prepared. And while they're there, hey Mitch, this is your prop, who has a drinking problem, right? Says that, hey, I will stay sober long enough to help you as long as you follow my advice and listen to what I have to say. So there's Hey Mitch. He's kind of a grumpy guy, but he knows what he's talking about. And his job is going to be to get Katniss and Peeta sponsors for things that will help them, right? Okay, so we know that Peeta is the boy with the bread. You get your prop? He was a boy who, when Katniss was in need, a long time ago, helped her out and gave her family a loaf of bread when they were starving. And because of that, Katniss has always liked him, and it's going to be a problem when they have to get into this arena and they have to go kill each other. But it's because of him that she kind of remembered how to survive. So we have that interesting dynamic about them. While they are training, hey Mitch, wave your hand. There you are. Tells them don't show off your main skills until you're being judged, right? And it's just you in front of the judges. Don't let any of the competitors know what you're really good at. So while they're there, Katniss grabs her bow and arrow. She can grab her bow and arrow. And the judges don't ever really pay attention to her, and she really wants to show them how well she can shoot. So she ends up shooting right through their pig that they're about to eat, right? You think you can shoot your bow and arrow through the pig? No, you don't think so? No, probably on the pig. Oh, this might be kind of scary. I'm not sure if we should let Katniss shoot here. She's probably not as good as a shot as actually Katniss. You gonna try? I'm probably a little close too. Shoot the pig. Okay. Whew, she made it. All right. So when she does that, remember that she gets this really high score. She gets an 11. That's a score that no one has seen before. So everyone knows she's going to be a tough, fierce competitor. During their interviews, that's one of the last things that we read. Katniss kind of lets them know that she's just honest. She tells them, Jonah, move out of the way, please. She tells them, she pretends like she's talking to Cinna, who's supposed to be her friend, right? Her designer and her dresser, who's made her in these fancy, elaborate dresses so she'll always be remembered. And she's just very honest and spoken about how she really is going to try her best in the games because she promised her sister she would. And then Peeta's interview comes up. He's the very last one. Peeta, wave your hand. Wave, Peeta. There you are. Peeta, at the very end, says something very, very shocking. He says that he has a crush on Katniss. Dum dum dum. So that's where we left off when we read the story last. And now you're kind of caught up for what you're about to hear when you listen to chapter 10 on your own. Happy reading. Send me a message if you've got any questions.
And when do we get to do it again?
Maybe our actors and actress will be back later. About Red Boy, though. We will.
Red boy, red boy.
See you later.